Imagine for a moment you are the best actor in the world. You earn millions. The world adores you. But one day, on set, you cannot say a simple line. Your tongue freezes. Everyone is staring at you. This isn't a nightmare. This is reality. And it didn't happen to me. It happened to Leonardo DiCaprio. Look at how he describes the humiliation he felt on the set of The Aviator when he couldn't say the phrase, spruce goose.
I've had those moments too. I remember on The Aviator, I had to say stuff about the spruce goose, and I literally couldn't say the words.
Yeah.
And it's humiliating, and it's like going to school with your underwear on.
Did you see that? That feeling of nakedness. We call this imposter syndrome. Today, I'm going to prove that it is not an enemy. It is fuel. You think this is just mental. You are wrong. This is chemical warfare. Sometimes your brain betrays your body. Look at Jennifer Lawrence and DiCaprio. On set, they were obsessed with sleep, counting the hours to rest. But in that exhaustion, Lawrence made a mistake. Instead of a sleeping pill, she accidentally took Adderall, a powerful stimulant. The result? Adrenaline explosion, no sleep, panic attacks in the shower. Listen to how she describes the paranoia.
Well, you and I are both obsessive about sleep. Like when we're working, like counting the hours.
Yeah.
And when I was doing Red Sparrow, I took an Adderall instead of a sleeping pill. And then I didn't sleep all night. And I was like taking hot showers, like panic, because like I'm not like somebody who can.
That wasn't a lack of talent. That was pure biology. Professionalism isn't about being calm. It's about stepping onto that stage even when your chemistry is at war with you. So, who is that voice in your head? The one saying you are a fraud. Everyone is watching. That voice has a name. The legendary acting coach Eric Morris calls it the demon. And most of you fall into a trap to silence it. You hide behind technique. You try to be perfect. You become a robot. But art is not about doing. It is about being. Morris teaches us, if you use technique to hide your fear, the audience sees a machine, not a human. Stop trying to get it right. Drop the mask. Let the demon speak. So what do? Destroy the anxiety? No. Psychologist David Rosmarin argues that anxiety is not an enemy to be destroyed, but a fuel to be used. Look at Taylor Swift. Before stepping out to a stadium, she felt paralyzed. Or Winston Churchill, freezing in Parliament.
Many of the greatest leaders in human history, certainly in recent history, they were forged in a cauldron of anxiety. Once early in his career, Sir Winston Churchill, he froze for 3 full minutes in the House of Commons giving a speech. He fought against his phobia, faced his fears head on, and he went on to become one of the greatest orators of the 20th century. The first time Taylor Swift sang the national anthem at a football game, she felt paralyzed with fear. What she learned is to share her feelings with others. Listen to her lyrics. Many of them speak about her own anxiety. And now, well, apparently she can shake it off.
If you are not afraid, you don't care. That shaking, that heartbeat, that is your energy. Don't suppress it. Channel it into the performance. Sometimes the fear isn't on stage. It's in the office. It's the moment a manager walks up to you and asks, "Can I give you some feedback?" Your heart stops. This is it. I'm fired. Psychologist Tessa West explains that our brains process this phrase as a physical threat, like a predator in the bushes.
And the person came up to me and she said, "Can I give you some feedback?" And immediately my heart started pounding. I'm like, oh, great, here we go. No one likes hearing, "Can I give you some feedback?"
This reaction is normal, but the professional mindset is to feel that heart pounding and say, "Yes, please tell me." There is only one cure for imposter syndrome. Stop trying to succeed. It sounds like madness, but Karen Foster Durham destroys the biggest lie you've ever been told. Follow your dreams.
You're also going to be told along the way to follow your dreams. I'm going to ask you not to do that. Dreams have limits. Dreams can be walked away from. But if you find something that you feel passionately about, be it your career path, how you volunteer your time, or what you do behind closed doors, if you feel passionately about it, parameters will not exist.
Dreams are fragile, passion is not. So, burn this order into your brain.
I want you to fail. I want you to fail so spectacularly. The kind of failure that punches you in the gut, takes you to your knees, and you wallow around in how horrible it is. Because how you react to that failure will be the sustainability of your personal brand.
Spectacularly. Don't just make a mistake. Fail so hard that it becomes your legend. Because only then does the fear of not being enough vanish. When you have nothing left to lose, you have nothing left to fear. If you have handled the preparation with this strategy, but still feel lacking in leadership, in the next video, we will examine Sterling K. Brown's invisible leadership technique. Go there. Chart your course.